If you're looking to retire early and don't know where to start, then you're at the right place. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. As you know, my focus is early retirement, and after doing research, I found that building digital assets online is the way to go. I've already started this journey by starting my YouTube channel. So let's dig in further. Today, we're going to talk about print on demand evergreen niches and this will help us toward our print-on-demand business that I've chose to start my digital journey on. And like I said before, I'm going to take you guys step by step through what I'm learning as I go and how to dig into this niche and how to get started. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, well, one of the first niches that I came across was sports. And the tags you would probably use for that would be basketball, hockey, soccer, running, cycling, tennis, volleyball, generic sports graphic. And what you can do with this when you're creating print on demand, whether you choose to do shirts, mugs, canvases, or whatever, you can do funny family sports sayings. You could do silhouettes of sports with maybe a child's name. You could personalize it, and you can also do things like sports patterns. Okay, let's go to the next one. Music. For music, for your tags, you can focus on bands, musicians, guitars, dances, musical, even retro music devices like cassette tapes, 8-track tapes. And how you can do this is that you can do like guitar design, funny music sayings, music art. Like if you're an artist, like you would do an album cover. What you don't want to do with music is use lyrics from a music from I'm sorry, use lyrics from a song because that is copyrighted material. So that's the stuff you want to stay away from, okay? Next thing is occupations. You can do print on demand stuff involving nurses, programmers, teachers, military, police, doctors, lawyers, librarians. There's a big variety. But these occupations are best used for using with great quotes that you can use on T-shirts or posters. Um, you can also use them for pillows and things of that nature. Again, make sure that the quotes that you are using are not famous quotes from other people because again, you can run into other copyright issues. The next one would be hobbies. Things like gardening, yoga, motorcycle, car travel, food, fishing. The great thing about a lot of these niches is that hopefully throughout all these you can find something in here that you're passionate about and that you can dig into and basically produce for your print on demand business. Now the type of things you can do with the hobbies is um, you can put different cities of photos that you might have purchased for cities, fishing families. You can make signs about, like gone, the old gone fishing, but you want to do something like really different on it. Um, you can do uh, group items, yoga poses, types of bird groupings, and so on. So there's a lot of things that you can do, especially if you're a bird watcher. The next one is animals like dogs, cats, horses. We know that people love their dogs and their pets and things like that. So this could be a really popular brand. But if you want to go a step further and use things like penguins and wolves, bears and sharks, you could do animal groupings, animal mesh-ups, like dad lovers for animals, mom lovers for animals, animals in food, animals in music, or cool dress up animals, something really different. The next thing is patterns, florals, retro, abstract, geometric, repeat pattern florals, like you can actually make shirts or jackets or even kids like baby onesies. You could do these patterns on animal patterns, shapes, sports patterns, you name it. Any kind of patterns is a great niche to try. The next one I tagged is water life, because you can do things like, um, and I tagged it water life. I forgot to put it in here, but things like mermaids, sharks, dolphins, fish, octopus, starfish, snails. You can mix these tags with occupations, with hobbies, funny themes like a dolphin fishing, or a starfish gazing at the stars, or an octopus at an AA meeting with a beer in each hand, or a shark going to the dentist to get dentures. Just some real crazy and fun ideas you can do. The next one is fairy tales. These are things like dragons, dinosaurs, Pegasus, unicorns. And what you can do is combine them. Do unicorn cats, unicorn dogs, fairies, phoenix, griffins. So many unique things that you can do with these evergreen niches. These niches basically, and if I didn't explain it before, basically evergreen means that these niches will be around forever. They've been around forever, and you can never go wrong with using them. But now, because a lot of them, like people always say, saturated, you don't look at it like that. You do a combination. Like you can add your own twist to it, as long as you're not doing anything illegal, stealing someone else's artwork, and things of that nature. What I will advise to you is do your research and try and combine, some of the niches in order to stand out. Don't be in a rush to produce a lot of work. Take your time. Create beautiful, thoughtful pieces. Use other designs as inspirations, but don't copy anyone's artwork. Okay? This was just a few um, little things that I wanted to bring to you guys today that I also learned. So again, remember guys, to like and comment and subscribe, especially if you got something from this content. Give me a thumbs up, and if you know anyone else that can use this content, or to help build their print on demand business, please share. And until next time, guys, I will see you then. Okay, bye guys.